Hi everyone, today we're talking about my portfolio review. This is where I review all my stocks and reveal all my stocks at the end of the month and talk about how they did and a couple of things about them. Overall, to be honest with you, it was a pretty poor month. The S&P pretty much flatlined on 0%, so that was kind of the target to beat that. But overall, it was a little bit of a rough month for me in my portfolio. It didn't really do much, to be honest with you. It didn't go up, it didn't really go down too much. And because I had larger positions in stocks that did well, they kind of like saved my ass, to be honest with you, because some of the smaller positions I had got really killed. So the first stock I had throughout September was Boeing, which had its second best month since I've been invested into it since doing these videos. It was up 6.2%. Which was good because it's pretty much not done much so far over the kind of like last couple of months. So to see it go up was really good, and going into October, it's had a good 2 days in October as well, but we'll talk about it on the next month. But Boeing had a really good month, which I was really impressed with. My second stock was Alibaba, which got killed quite a bit. That went down 7.7%. More news about the China trade war, and we had Jack Ma that was stepping down as well in that month. So what else do you expect, really? It was going to go down quite a bit, so we've got to take that one on the chin. Facebook went down 6.5%. Not really loads of reasons why. The last kind of few days it had, I think when it went down 2.5%, it was about accounts being leaked. But overall, there's not been too much news about Facebook. It's just waiting for its next earnings report before it goes anywhere. So that puts us down about 4.2% in total for the year. My next stock was FedEx, which was 2.8% down. That was because of the earnings report, basically. That's why that stock's down. I have no intention to sell. It wasn't a bad earnings report. I just believe that Wall Street's estimates were too high on it. So I'm not too fussed about that one. PayPal down 5%. My worrying thing about PayPal is it's done really well for me this year, and it's had a little bit of a sell-off. But the sell-off has now took it below its 50-day moving average, so that's one to watch. I potentially might swing trade that one. I never talk about this, so this is something new. I actually have a account which I do a little bit of swing trading on. I post nothing on this channel about it, but I do swing trade quite a few stocks on there. PayPal is one that I'm watching for my swing trading account. I don't talk about it because I talk about my long-term investment on here. I think that's where the most money is in stock market, but I do a bit of swing trading. I just don't talk about it on this channel. But PayPal broke below its 50-day average, so we'll see what happens there. If it shoots up above the 50-day average, we'll see it recover. But if it doesn't get past that 50-day moving average, we might see the stock drop down slightly. So I'm still up 12.8% for the year on that one as we're recording this video from April. Microsoft 2.10%, so another good month for that. So overall, not much going on with my stock market channel on my portfolio. The Boeing and Microsoft pretty much covered my losses in all my other stocks, because Boeing and Microsoft were my only two positive stocks in that month. Alibaba, Facebook, FedEx and PayPal all were negative, but because of how Boeing and Microsoft are my two biggest positions in the stock market, they pretty much covered the losses in all of the other stocks. So it wasn't too bad. I like Microsoft, I like Boeing, huge, two of my favourite stocks, so that's why I went massive on them two stocks. And yeah, I didn't buy any new stocks in September. I was about this close to buying Nvidia, which never happened, and I am still looking at Nvidia, and I'm still kind of looking at Visa and MasterCard. You never know, they might get added into this portfolio some point soon. I would like to get into one of them particularly over the next 3 months, so we'll see what happens there. I'm not sure how it'll work with my portfolio, but yeah, Visa, I am looking at that very, very closely, and MasterCard to get in at some point over the next 3 months. I said I'd like to get into it at some point. We'll see what happens. But yeah, guys, that's my review of my portfolio. I know a few of you like tracking my portfolio and see how it's doing, and stocks that I purchase. And that's what happened, guys, in the month of September. So guys, give the video a like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.